Hey there, and welcome to the 411 on Making Money Online. Today we are discussing part one of a three-part series. It's an exciting topic that could potentially boost your income: affiliate marketing. If you've ever wondered how to make money online by promoting products and services you love, then affiliate marketing might be a good fit for you. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, as you don't want to miss out on parts 2 and 3 of this topic or any of our Making Money Online ideas, tips, and tutorials. All right, let's get started. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. Imagine making money while you spend time with your family, take up a hobby, or even while you sleep. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. Once you have the system set up, all you must do is drive traffic to your offer. When somebody clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you receive a commission anytime, anywhere. Now, you might be wondering how this all works, and it's actually quite simple. Step number 1, you sign up for an affiliate program or network like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareSale. These platforms connect you with companies looking for affiliates to promote their products. You simply go to their website where you want to promote the product or service, look for Become an Affiliate. Usually when you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see this. You then complete this form or application, wait for the approval, and then you will be provided with a unique link that is attached to you and only you. And the best part, it's free to join almost all affiliate programs. Step number 2, this unique affiliate link then tracks sales and leads you generate and is now how you get paid making money online. How to promote products. Step number 3. All right, now that you have your affiliate link, now what do? We need to promote the product or service using your affiliate link. You can do this through blog posts and social media, YouTube, like we're doing right now, or with email marketing. The key is to create valuable content that genuinely helps your audience. In order to create content, you need to know who your audience is, what problem do they have, and how does your product or service solve their problem. That's who you promote your products or services to. Step number 4. Now I know what you're really interested in, and that's the money. Is affiliate marketing profitable? Well, for those who put in the hard work and show up every day driving traffic towards their affiliate links, you will make money. How much really depends on you. How do you make money with affiliate marketing? When somebody clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase or performs the desired action, you earn a commission. It's that simple. If you're ready to start your affiliate marketing journey and unlock the potential for passive income online, then hit that like button and share this video with your friends or family who might be interested. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for parts 2 and 3 of this series and more ideas, tips, and tutorials on making money online.